Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about characteristic of mixtures. So what are the some characteristics of mixtures are? The first one, in mixtures the components are loosely held together without any chemical force acting on them. Examples are mixture of salt and sugars and mixture of salt and chili powder. What you will see if there is a mixture of salt and sugar like this. I am showing these are the components of salt and sugar like this. These boxes are the sugar component and these dots are salt component. Now you can see this one is there will be no chemical bonding between them, means there will be no attraction force between the components of salt and sugar, so they will not attract to each other, they will not attract each other. So what will be there? They will be loosely held together. So in this way we can understand that there will be no chemical force between them, so they are loosely held together. Now the same way, second point is they do not have any fixed amount of component, means in mixture there is no fixed proportion of the component. This we can understand with this example. Suppose this one is water in this vessel, in this glass. You can see if you will put 1 spoon of sugar in this, what will be there? The mixture will become little, sweetness will be there in this solution. If you will add 10 spoons, then what will be there? This will again remain the solution of sugar, but what will be there? The sweetness will be high, means the concentration of particle will be, the concentration of the components will be increased, or we can say there will be no fixed proportion of the component in this solution. Now come to the third point. In mixtures do not have any specific set of properties. See, because there is no chemical bonding, so what will be there? They will show their individual properties. In case of rice and wheat, we can see like this is the wheat particles and these are the rice particles. So if you will look at this mixture, you can easily recognize these are the particles of wheat and these are the particles of rice. There is no new compound is forming, that's why they will not show any specific set of properties. Now come to the fourth point. Components of mixture can be separated by simple physical methods. Like suppose we are separating this rice and wheat by hand picking, we can separate these. Like we can separate by hand picking these particles or components of wheat and these components of rice. In the same way, if salt is present in water like this one, this is a salt solution. If you will heat this one, so what will happen? The water will be evaporated. What will remain in the vessel? Only salt. So this is also a physical method by the help of which we can separate them. In mixtures we can separate the components with the physical methods. The next one, the melting point and the boiling points of mixtures is not fixed. Means what will be happen if we are taking a water in a glass, or if we are taking water in this vessel. So what will be the boiling point of water? That all you know, that is 100 degrees Celsius. So if we will add some salt in this, and again we will boil it in 100 degrees Celsius, it will be not evaporated in that. Little higher the boiling point will, means the boiling point of this solution will increase when we will add some salt in this. In this way we can understand that after in mixtures there is no sharp boiling or boiling point or melting point. Mixtures can be homogeneous and heterogeneous. This we have learned in previous video. Formation of mixture does not involve any energy change, means there will be no energy change. Why? Because there is no chemical bonding. If there will be any chemical bonding, means attraction force between the components, then only there will be energy change. So in mixture there will be no energy change.